Hey guys, so in this video we're going to see about the continue statement in C++. To understand the continue, I will show you the code. For by that you can easily understand the code. So I've given the for loop code from int a equals to 1 and less than a is less than 10. Then I have done the increment of a plus plus. At here I have given the if statement like a equals to 5. Then I give the one condition that continue. I simply write the continuation. After writing the continue at down, I print the message cout. Let's say my channel name here, and then I given the a, and then and del. Now see the output. As you can see on the screen, except 5, all the output has been printed till 1 to 9. You might be thinking that why the 10 hasn't printed. The reason is plain that we have been given the equals to. Suppose if I given the equals to, then let's run the code. So it has been printed 1 to 10, but at here we will notice that one thing, that the output 5 hasn't printed. See, as till IQ 4 it has been printed, but 5 is missing. The reason behind is that whenever you write the continue, it will skip that condition. Then it will be start continue from the next line. Like I have written the a equals to 5, then it means that the a condition has been skipped and then continuing from the 6th line. It means that. Hope you have understood. If you have any kind of a question, then you can comment down. So for more related video, you can subscribe to my channel.